my name is Ron Wilson with CAT Paving Products Training Team. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance intervals on the AP 1055F asphalt paver. This will only cover the asphalt paver. It does not include the screed. Now we're going to move on to the 50-hour service or the weekly service. First thing we're going to do is check our conveyor system. We're going to inspect the clearance between the guard and the chain and look for at least a 1/4 inch gap between the guard and the chain. All right? If you can see the chain in any place along the guard on both sides, then the guard needs to be replaced. Also on to the 50-hour or weekly service, we have to grease our hopper cylinders. The hopper cylinder has 2 grease zerks on it. One upper zerk and then one lower zerk. Grease until you see grease coming out, and that should be sufficient. Still on the 50-hour service or weekly service, we need to come in and grease the roller frames. All right, on each side of the machine, the roller frames have 3 grease zerks on. One here, and then a third one is located inside this hole. All right, using a manual grease gun, continue to pump until you feel resistance on the grease gun. Remember, always refer to the operation and maintenance manual for the proper procedures when doing your hourly checks.